Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to add a sticker to your comment on a pin in Pinterest. This feature allows you to personalize your comments and make them more engaging. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. If you haven't already, log into your account to access all the features. Next, from the home page, scroll through your feed to find the pin you want to comment on. You can also use the search function if you're looking for something specific. Once you've found the pin, tap on it to open it up. Now that you have the pin open, look for the comments section. Click on it to see existing comments and add your own. This is where you can interact with other users and share your thoughts about the pin. After clicking on the comments section, you'll see a comment bar at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this bar to start writing your comment. Feel free to express your opinion, ask questions, or share related experiences. Once you've crafted your comment, it's time to add some flair. Look for the sticker icon next to the comment bar. Clicking on this icon will open up a variety of stickers that you can choose from. Browse through the options until you find a sticker that fits perfectly with your comment. After selecting your sticker, simply click on it to add it to your comment. You can adjust its size and position within your text if needed. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, hit post to share your comment with the sticker included. And there you have it. Adding stickers to your comments on Pinterest is a fun way to enhance your interactions and make them stand out. Whether you're sharing inspiration or just having fun, stickers can add a personal touch that resonates with others in the Pinterest community. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Pinterest effectively. Happy pinning!